Today, we bring you the incredible story of Nick Leeson, a man who single-handedly brought down a 233-year-old bank, Barings Bank, a bank etched in UK's history, a bank that Queen Elizabeth II was a client of, and a bank who changed the ecosystem of English banking regulation. Hold on to your seats. This story is wild. We'll delve deep into the life of this infamous rogue trader and his risky bets that would eventually lead to a catastrophic collapse of a banking giant. Nick Leeson, a working-class British lad, began his career in the financial sector at the age of 18. He quickly climbed the ranks. Leeson was initially a successful trader, and by 1992, he was promoted to the position of general manager at Barings Futures trading subsidiary in Singapore. He was responsible for the bank's operations on the Singapore International Monetary Exchange. While there, he took a keen interest in the recovery of the Japanese economy. In January 1995, Leeson placed a large bet on the recovery of the Japanese stock market, but the Kobe earthquake struck, causing the market to plummet instead. He continued to add to his position, causing a tailspin out of control for his portfolio. He falsified records, lied to his superiors, and manipulated the bank's risk management system to avoid detection. His web of lies spun out of control, and it was only a matter of time before the truth would come to light. In February 1995, Leeson's risky bets finally caught up with him. Barings Bank discovered the extent of the losses, and the bank found itself on the brink of collapse. Nick Leeson had been hiding losses in account number 88888, preventing London Home Office from receiving the daily reports on trading, price, and status. He'd been doing this since 1992. 3 years, a lie. Unable to cover the massive losses, Barings Bank was declared insolvent and was subsequently sold for a fraction of their previous worth. Nick Leeson was arrested and charged with fraud. He was sentenced to 6.5 years in prison in Singapore. His actions not only brought down a prestigious bank, but also led to tighter regulations and oversight in the financial industry. Leeson's story serves as a cautionary tale, illustrating the dangers of unchecked ambition and the consequences of reckless trading. The story of Nick Leeson and his disastrous trades in the sugar market is a gripping tale of ambition, deception, and ultimately, downfall. It's a fascinating look into the world of high-stakes trading and the human desire for success at any cost.